Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. How to check trailer wheel bearings. Simple steps for safe towing. Nobody wants a surprise breakdown on the road, and few things can ruin a trip faster than a bad wheel bearing. Wheel bearings are small metal rings inside your trailer wheels that help them spin smoothly and carry heavy loads. When they wear out or dry up, wheels heat up, make noise, and can even lock up, putting you and others at risk. Checking your trailer's wheel bearings isn't just good practice, it keeps your trips safe and your repairs cheap. With a few simple checks, you can spot trouble early and save yourself the stress and cost of a bigger fix down the line. Let's get into what you need to look for and how to keep those wheels rolling safe. Understanding trailer wheel bearings. Wheel bearings might not look impressive, but they're essential to every safe trip with your trailer. These tough little components sit inside the wheel hub and let the wheels spin freely, all while shouldering the weight of your trailer. If wheel bearings fail, your wheels could seize up or even fall off. Problems on the road often start right here, so it pays to know what's going on behind the hubcap. What trailer wheel bearings do. Wheel bearings use a set of steel balls or rollers paired with smooth inner and outer races. This simple engineering masterpiece reduces friction, making it possible for your trailer wheels to turn with very little effort. Think of them as the quiet workhorses tucked away in your wheels, handling every bump, turn, and mile you ask of them. Carry heavy loads. Your trailer's full weight presses down on them. Keep wheels spinning smoothly. They cut down drag so wheels rotate easily. Handle rough roads. Bearings take the brunt of potholes and rough spots, protecting other parts. If a bearing starts to wear out, it creates heat, noise, and rough movement. Catching issues early means much less hassle later. Common types of trailer wheel bearings. Not every trailer uses the same kind of bearing. Here's a quick overview of what you're likely to find. Ball bearings. Use hardened steel balls. Good for lighter trailers. Handle both up and down and side-to-side forces, but wear quickly under high weight. Roller bearings. Use long rollers instead of balls. Perfect for medium and heavy trailers. Better for carrying heavier loads over long distances. Tapered roller bearings. Feature conical rollers in races. Handle weight and side pressure best. Most common on boat, utility, and travel trailers. Understanding which type you have helps you service them the right way and spot signs of trouble early. How bearings affect trailer safety and operation. Even the strongest trailer can end up stranded with a blown-out bearing. Safe towing starts here. Wheel bearings keep your wheels turning smoothly and stop the hub from overheating. If a bearing fails, you risk wheel lock-up. The wheel can stop or even come off. Tire blowouts. Extra heat damages tires quickly. Trailer sway. Worn bearings can make handling unstable. Damage to axles or brakes. Running too long on bad bearings destroys other expensive parts. Staying on top of wheel bearing health is the best way to avoid major headaches, expensive repairs, or time spent stuck waiting for a tow. Good bearings mean you keep rolling, safely and with peace of mind. Signs of faulty or worn-out wheel bearings. Spotting early signs of bad wheel bearings can save you from disaster on the road. A worn or damaged bearing might not seem like a big deal at first, but it can quickly turn your next trip into a roadside nightmare. Here are the most common signs that your trailer wheel bearings need attention. Unusual noises while driving. Strange noises are often the first clue that something's wrong. Listen closely when you're towing your trailer. Grinding or growling. Sounds like metal rubbing on metal. This often means the bearings have lost their smooth finish or lubrication. Humming or rumbling. A steady hum that gets louder with speed usually points to bearings starting to wear out. Clicking or snapping. Quick, sharp clicks or snaps may happen as you slow down or take turns. These sounds might come and go, but they never mean good news for your bearings. Excessive wheel play or movement. Loose wheels are never safe. If you lift your trailer and grab a tire, it shouldn't wiggle or clunk back and forth. Wheel wiggle. If the wheel rocks when you shake it side to side or top to bottom, the bearings might be loose or worn. Visible play. Movement at the hub or any sign the wheel doesn't sit firmly on the axle means trouble inside. Always compare both sides. If one side feels sloppier than the other, it's time to inspect the bearings closely. Heat buildup at the wheel hub. A healthy wheel bearing runs cool, even after miles on the road. Warm or hot hub. After a drive, carefully touch the hub. If it's much hotter than the others, the bearing could be failing. Burning smell. Sometimes, failing bearings create a sharp, burnt odor. This smell can hint at metal parts rubbing together. Carry a non-contact thermometer if you check often, but even a careful touch can tell you a lot. Uneven tire wear. Keep an eye on your trailer's tires every time you stop. Thin spots or bald patches. Worn bearings can make the wheel wobble, leading to tires wearing unevenly. Feathering or cupping. Look for wavy patterns or scalloped edges on the tread. Catch uneven wear early before it ruins a good set of tires. Vibration or wobble while towing. A trailer that shakes or pulls to one side usually has something loose. Notice vibration. If your trailer starts to shudder, especially at certain speeds, check the bearings first. Wobbling on turns. Bad bearings can cause the wheel to shift when you corner, making the trailer feel unstable. Any new wobble or jiggle means it's time to stop and take a closer look. Difficulty when spinning the wheel. Jacking up your trailer and spinning the wheels by hand can tell you a lot. Rough or gritty spin. The wheel should spin freely and quietly. Any sticking, scratching, or roughness could point to a worn bearing. Wheel doesn't spin smoothly. If it stops short or feels tight, there may be damage inside the hub. Add this step to your regular checks for the best chance at spotting trouble early. That's all for part 1. Make sure you stay tuned for part 2, where we'll cover more tips on maintaining your trailer and keeping your bearings in check for safe towing. See you there. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.